The discovery of a tomb of a previously unknown queen is shedding light on a dark period of ancient Egyptian history. Archaeologists recently unearthed the 4,600-year-old tomb of Khntkos III, a queen of the Old Kingdom, in a necropolis of Abu Sur, southwest of Cairo. Now one expert believes the grave could reveal that the kingdom was facing similar problems to our own, in the form of political unrest and climate change. The tomb of Khntkos III was discovered in the necropolis of Abu Sur, which was used by the ancient Egyptian capital of Memphis. Here, pyramids dedicated to 5th dynasty pharaohs can be found. The queen's body was found 650 feet, 198 meters, away from her husband, Pharaoh Nefertari, who ruled the Old Kingdom between 2460 and 2458 BC. An epithet of Queen Mother was found scrawled on the wall of the grave, along with 30 utensils, pottery, woodwork, copper, and animal bones. These artifacts, including the anthropological evidence in human bones, could offer clues about the queen's life, how she died, and the environment she lived in. Professor Miroslav Barta, of the Czech Institute of Egyptology, believes the situation thousands of years ago serves as a warning to us, as disaster ensued and the kingdom collapsed soon afterwards. In particular, he said the find is revealing a black patch in the history of the Old Kingdom, according to CNN. For example, the woman was buried during a critical period when the Old Kingdom started to run into problems, with the rise of democracy and impact of nepotism threatening to destabilize rulers. Professor Barta believes climate change played a role in toppling the Old Kingdom, and within just 200 years of Khntkos III's death the land was racked with droughts as the Nile no longer flooded. The situation contributed to the disintegration of the era of the pyramid builders, he said. This is because harvests were damaged by the lack of floods and people couldn't pay their taxes, meaning there were no funds to maintain the state apparatus. The Fourth Dynasty, between 2613 and 2494 BC, saw the construction of the first pyramids. Professor Barta said the tomb serves as a historical echo and a warning. You can find many paths to our modern world, which is also facing many internal and external challenges, he said, adding that we can learn about the present from past events. People always think this time it's different and that we're different. We are not. In 2014, experts at Cornell University analyzed tree ring samples found in an ancient Egyptian coffin dated to around 4,000 years ago to conclude the region could have been undone by rapid climate change. The find adds to the debate about what led to the collapse of the civilization more than 3,000 years ago, with theories ranging from wars to famine and disease. Professor Barta said that while we may be on the brink of disaster, we have a chance to take a different path from the ancient Egyptians. Experts will continue to analyze the tomb for around 2 years, and carbon dating could reveal at what age the queen died, as well as if she was suffering from any illnesses.